this is an important opportunity for us to interact with members of the public and to appraise them concerning the plans that we have put in place to secure employment opportunities for young people. As you well know, the unemployment rate is extremely high in this country. Out of 1 million young people who graduate from primary schools, secondary schools, even in our tertiary institutions, only about 200 are absorbed by both the public and the private sector. The remaining 800 are absorbed, some in the Jua Kali sector. They establish their own enterprises, but as you well know, the economy has just picked up. For the last 2 years, it has been a bit of a challenge, so some of these businesses have not been doing very well. As government, we have put in place a vetting committee that is comprised of various security agencies. All the security agencies are represented in this vetting committee that is chaired by a senior officer from my office. Out of 1,000 PRAs, private recruitment agencies, that we had about a year ago, we've reduced them to 500, nearly 500, 50%. And this is deliberate because we don't want our young people to be exploited negatively. And therefore we've been extremely firm on that. Those PRAs that are in red ink, should be avoided as much as possible because their performance is still wanting. And we have not given them the green light to continue doing the recruitment. But those that are in black ink have been vetted, and we are 100% sure that what they are doing is in accordance with the law. So we'll encourage young people then to access the website and see the job orders that have been uploaded in the National Employment Authority Integrated Management System. As it is currently, we have about 260,000 jobs.